When I started paying attention to the ingredients, it shocked me. The ingredients in pickles, man, these are the kind we used to always get, you know, but then when you look at the ingredients, look, you got the cucumbers, water, vinegar, but then look, you got the sodium, benzenate, calcium, chloride, you got the natural flavors, which isn't natural, that actually make us want to keep eating, and it lead to weight gain. Then you got polysorbate 80 and yellow 5. So I was looking around for natural pickles, and it's hard to find them, so we just started making them from scratch. Check this out, it's easy, hold on. All you need is a few simple ingredients. Take a look, man. We actually got this recipe in our family cookbook, actually. Watch how I put this thing together. First things first, I'm doing 4 cups of spring water. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of distilled vinegar. 2 tablespoons of all natural sea salt. 2. 1 tablespoon of raw organic cane sugar. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. We just want that sugar and salt to melt down into the water. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in the freezer till it get cold. And now while that's chilling out, we're gonna go ahead and cut these cucumbers up into spears that are gonna fit into these jars right here. So I cut it this way, then I'm gonna cut it the long way. Then I'm gonna cut it twice like this, 1, 2. Now these are nice spears that we're gonna end up putting inside this jar in a second. So check this, now we got some dill that we put on the bottom. I'm gonna add a few peppercorns to each one. All right, so we got the dill, the peppercorn, and we're gonna drop onions. This is gonna be on the bottom. And this is for that extra flavor. Then we're gonna drop a couple cloves of garlic in each one. Now we're gonna add these cucumber spears on top of that. I put this in the freezer because this mixture right here for the pickles, you want it to be cold. If you put it on top of this when it's warm, it's gonna make these pickles super soft and you ain't gonna like it. So we just fill them up. You feel me? I love myself more than the love that I have for the convenience of unhealthy food options. This is why we do things like this. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 hours. They'll be ready to go, man. We actually got the recipe in our family cookbook. This is an example of the natural light lifestyle. You know what I mean? I wrote this book, Life Matters, so Let's Eat Like It, to explain how I lost 100 pounds still eating the foods that I like to eat. And I was making choices like this, just choosing better versions of what I like to eat. If you want to grab a copy, feel free. I got our website link underneath my profile picture. Prayers up, blessings up.